Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create rectangle and square shapes in CapCut on PC. Whether we're adding backgrounds, overlays, or design elements, using shapes can help make our videos look more polished and professional. In the CapCut dashboard, we just need to import a blank picture. Here we have a blank one ready to go. Once we have it, all we need to do is drop it into our media and then crop it. After we crop it, we can form a circle, a rectangle, or a perfect square. Once we're happy with the shape, we just need to click Confirm. Now we just need to color it to our preference. We can edit it as much as we want and make it bigger or smaller depending on our needs. When we're done, we just need to crop it again into a rectangle and continue. And there we have our rectangle shapes. That's how we create rectangle and square shapes in CapCut on PC. Nice and simple.